However, knowing that, by an order promulgated by a public servant lawfully empowered to promulgate such order, he is directed to abstain from a certain act, or to take certain order with certain property in his possession or under his management, disobeys such direction, shall, if such disobedience causes or tends to cause obstruction, annoyance or injury, or risk of obstruction, annoyance or injury, to any person lawfully employed, be punished with simple imprisonment for a term which may extend to 1 month, or with fine which may extend to 200 rupees, or with both, and if such disobedience causes or tends to cause danger to human life, health or safety, or causes or tends to cause a riot or affray, shall be punished with imprisonment of either description for a term which may extend to 6 months, or with fine which may extend to 1000 rupees, or with both. Stop. It is not necessary that the offender should intend to produce harm, or contemplate his disobedience as likely to produce harm. Stop. It is sufficient that he knows of the order which he disobeys, and that the disobedience produces, or is likely to produce, harm. Stop. Illustration: an order is promulgated by a public servant lawfully empowered to promulgate such orders, directing that a religious procession shall not pass down a certain street. Stop. Rajesh knowingly disobeys the order, and thereby causes danger of riot. Stop. Rajesh has committed the offence defined in this section. Stop. Para. A perusal of section 182 of the Penal Code shows that a person to be liable has to be credited with the act of giving any information to a public servant, which he knows or believes to be false. Stop. Here, the applicant never gave any information to the police or any public servant. Stop. What the applicant did was a tweet, that was perhaps a matter of concern for other residents of the society, rather than a busy body like the sub-inspector, who lodged the FIR in this case. Stop. Thus, the ingredients of section 182 of the Penal Code are prima facie not disclosed. Stop. So far as section 188 of the Penal Code is concerned, it is not even remotely shown as to how the applicant, by his tweet, violated the prohibitory orders promulgated in the district, except for a vague remark that the spread a rumor. Stop. The information, to emphasize again, carried in the tweet, was for the safety or intended safety of the residents of society, these were certainly not meant to raise any kind of alarm in the town or district at large. Stop. One can hardly envisage a situation where a tweet about the safety of residents of a society would be construed as an obstruction, annoyance, injury or risk, or of all these to any person lawfully employed. Stop. To construe the tweet as one within the mischief of section 188 of the Penal Code would be unacceptable violence of the statute. Stop. Para. appraisal of the first information report, which after some investigation has culminated into a charge sheet, shows that the applicant, Sachin Kumar Srivastava, is a businessman engaged in the business of running a printing press.